One of my favorite productivity tool that I use daily is Microsoft OneNote. If you're using OneNote, do you know that OneNote can do all this that I'm going to show you to help you boost your productivity? Here are 3 tips and tricks that you can do inside Microsoft OneNote. Number 1, you can extract text from pictures within OneNote itself. Let me show you how, right? Let me just drag pictures, okay, into right now. You can see this is inside my OneNote. So inside these photos or images, okay, there are a lot of wordings. Yeah. Now, let me show you how to extract the words. Just right click on the photos, okay, copy text from pictures. So you need to just click here, copy text, and then let's say I go down here and then I just paste, okay, all right, Control V, paste the text down right below. Now you see there's a lot of words right over here. That is why when I copy, then everything will be right down here. So if you just want to have, let's say, okay, let's make these changes like this. You would rather like, okay, crop its place and then leave this word so that easy when you want to copy the text, you will take out from this rather than all the text within the photo. But at least right now, here, this is what I want. Let me easily change to the current systems. I just want it until here. All I need is I just delete it off. Okay, so this is one way you can actually cut or you take photos, okay, and some pictures with text inside there, and I can convert that into text. So how good is that? Yeah. So number 2, okay, number 2, that you can handwrite and convert whatever you're writing into a text. Let me show you, right? So let me click and then write something. Yeah, let's say I just write, hey, hello, everyone. Okay, so this is, I write it, okay? And then what you need to do is that click here, you can highlight whatever you're writing. Oops. Okay. Let me click. Let me delete this because it's blocking my way. Okay, so I highlight the text and then I can right click, same thing, and then into text. Boom. See? Right? Of course, my writing is not so good, so it's like hello everyone, right? It's just say hello. Yeah. So this is how you can, yeah. If you take notes, if you have a tablet or you can, you like my laptop that you can write, you can always write and then later on convert. Okay. So if you want to convert it, better write properly. So in this case, if I do this, we'll go hello, right? You write like this, most probably, oops, delete this. This one, but most probably will become hello. Oh, okay, right now it learns, right? Hello. So as you do it, most probably you will learn your handwriting, and then if you want to convert, it becomes easier and easier. All right. Now, the third one I want to share is that you can actually custom the page, right? So if you look at here, it's a blank page, white color, and you don't like it, okay? Right now, you just go to view, and then if I like to have, or you like to have some lines, okay? So if you prefer to have lines like your notebook, okay, let me delete this. You can have that, right? So, and there are many different types. You can change, you want a wider line, you want to have like grid line, something like this. You can do that, and then you can change the light. If you don't like it like blue, you want it red, you can change it to red. Even you can change the page color. So you prefer, let's say, like brown, something like this. Yeah. And then the line, maybe I change it something like, okay, and something like this, right? So you can do that to customize the look of your page. Now, if you want to do more, then you can just go insert, and then there's page templates right over here. Okay? So I have a lot of my own page template. Just click right over here, and then you can see there are many different types of templates. So, of course, the default one is blank, right? You can have E4, postcard, and so on. Okay? Now, if you want to have, let's say, business, okay, because we take notes during our meeting, you can go in, let's say you want to have like detailed meeting notes, boom, insert it here. Now you got a meeting title, right? I mean, meeting templates. So all you need is just go in here, right? Type in whatever meetings, and then you can fill in the blanks of all this. This is just a template, right? Now, if you want to know how to learn how to make your own template, you can watch this video that I created to create your own templates. Like for example, if you look at here, I can create my own templates because I'm using this to basically, doing my daily journals. So I can put in a journal, something like this, or I can have something like this. Okay, this is my journal that I created myself. Right? If you want to know how to create your own template to suit your needs, then just watch this video. Okay, so I hope you know how to customize this. Let's say, for example, just templates here. Let's say you want to have meeting minutes. You can have customized meeting minutes like this. Okay, when your attendees name, date, so you can write, you can put your dates here, yeah, or this is the day, sorry, right? Okay, and then so you can put in today's is let's say Thursday, yeah, meeting topic is whatever. So you can put it right over here. This is how you can customize OneNote to suit your needs. All right, now final tips, okay, for people who, this is a bonus, right? Let me go back to home page, yeah, and see here. If you don't like to type, okay, and you prefer to use voice to help you to type, you can just click right over here and click here and then write, for me, please. So today's meeting is all about how to improve our work productivity. So I can stop right over here. You can see that it just helps you to type. Okay. If you like this, yeah, it's not customized, so I can just format and make it look nice. All right. So I hope this video helps you, and by all means try to use OneNote because this is very powerful tools, and I use it every day. So to help me put all my information into one place, and I don't have to go and find it like in these apps or whatever apps. Try it out and let me know. If you have questions in regards of using OneNote, just leave a comment right below and I'll try my best to answer you. By the way, I'm Andrew, and if you like this type of productivity content, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And I'll see you real soon in my next video.